Mm, Good morning. Today we discuss about the slope deflection method. Uh, in slope deflection method, there is a 5 steps involved for solve this example. I write down in this note. So first step was create each span as a fixed beam and calculate the fixed end moment. Okay, then second step is write a slope deflection equation for each span considering fixed end moment, rotation and settlement. Then third step was write a equilibrium equation for each joint. Then step 4 was solve the uh, slope deflection and equilibrium equation for moment and rotation. Then last step 5 was put the value of theta and delta, find the final end moment and also draw the bending moment diagram. In this slope deflection, uh, we in clockwise direction we take positive and anti-clockwise we take negative. Now step 1, there is a before that we discuss some cases where we find the fixed end moment. The first case was you can see in this figure the fixed end beam, then uh, unequal distance you can see here. Then moment of AB is equal to MAB is equal to minus WAB square by L square because it's a anti-clockwise direction. Then MBA this is a clockwise direction. The equation is WBA square by L square. This is a trick. MAB is equal to minus WAB square, then L square, then MBA is equal to WBA square by L square. Okay, this is a some trick. AB, then AB. Now case 2. In case 2, the point load at middle of the span or in equal distance. The equation of a fixed end moment is equal to MAB minus WL square by 8 because it's anti-clockwise direction, and moment at BA is equal to WL by 8. Now the third case. In third case, in fixed end moment, uh, if the UDL kilonewton per meter was applied, then the equation moment at MAB is equal to minus WL square by 12 and MBA is equal to plus WL square by 12 because it's a anti-clockwise direction and this is a clockwise direction. Now we take one example for that. These are the I will show you the slope deflection equation. You can see here that this is a one fixed and beam A and B, and MAB is a slope deflection equation is equal to small ab plus 2 EI by L in the bracket 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta L by L. Similarly, MBA is equal to MBA plus 2 EI by L bracket 2 theta B plus theta A minus 3 theta B and 3 delta divided by L bracket over. Now you can see here the marking that AB is equal to first moment AB, then 2 theta A, then MAB is equal to 2 theta. You can see there, this is a trick. MBA is equal to MBA plus 2 theta B. You can hear first is B, then 2 theta B is coming. Now the third and final step was bending moment diagram. This is a we take a moment bending moment for this equation. Here some 3 condition will be there. First condition was fixed end member with unequal distance then final end moment of WAB by L square. This is the final end bending moment for the beam, WAB by L square. Then you can see here equal distance load are given to a equal distance, then equation was WL by 4, and third case was in UDL is a WL square by 8. Now I will explain you one example for the slope deflection method. Yes, this is a one beam. There is a A, B and C, two fixed end moment and one hinge moment. A to B is one UDL was applied 2 kN per meter, and for point load with equal distance 12 kN per visual applied. Now this example was solved by the slope deflection method. Now we also already know the steps, 5 steps involved in that in this method. The first step is to find the fixed end moment. In find a fixed end moment is equal to AB, then AB is equal to moment minus WL square by TEL, because it's a UDL. So we already discussed yes, that when the UDL is applied, then fixed end moment at anti-clockwise is equal to minus WL square by 10, and clockwise is equal to plus WL square by 10. Similar equation will be applied here. WL square by 12 is equal to minus 2 into 6 square by 12. You can see here the 2 kN was a load applied and 6 was a distance. You can see here. So we then calculate is equal to minus 6 kN per meter. In the similar way, MAB is equal to plus WL square by 12. You can see here is we are considered as a fixed and the moment was applied in a clockwise direction. So MAB is equal to plus WL square by 12. Here the 2 kN and distance is also the same, but the sign was plus 6 kN per meter. This is for AB. Now the BC, you can see here the BC, in BC the here fixed end moment we are considered, and this is a unequal load. So we use this equation minus WL square by 8 for clockwise direction and plus WL square by 8 plus anti-clockwise direction. So we here apply moment BC is a anti-clockwise direction, so minus WL square by 8, W is equal to 12 kN per meter, L is equal to 6 meter, and divide by 8 is equal to minus 9 kN per meter. Thus similarly MCB is equal to plus WL square by 8 because it's clockwise direction, then 12 into 6 divided by 8 plus 9 kN per meter. So here we are complete the first step, fix and moment. Now the second step was write down the slope deflection equation. So for span AB, slope deflection equation is MAB plus 2EI by L in the bracket 2 theta plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. Here theta is equal to 0 because the fixed end has no rotation, so it's a 0, and the delta here the sink deflection is not given, so delta is also 0. So the slope deflection equation we already discussed. This is the slope deflection equation MAB and MBA. So first AB, then 2 theta A we put here. Similar way we put MAB is equal to MAB, we already find this MAB, then plus 2 theta EI divided by 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta L, 3 delta by L. Here MAB we also already find, this is a here minus 6 kN per meter, and 2 theta E by L, the distance is 6 meter. So and theta here theta A is equal to 0 because the fixed end moment, and theta B was we find then theta del by L 0. So we calculate, and final equation was minus 6 plus theta B EI by 3. Similar way we find the slope deflection equation for span BC. MBC is equal to MBC plus 2 EI by L in the bracket 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 delta L by 2. Similar way the MBC was already we find is minus 9, then 2 EI by L, the distance between two BC is equal to 6, L is equal to 6, and 2 theta B plus 0 because the fixed end deflection was 0, minus 3 into delta also these two terms will be a 0. Then final we find the minus 9 plus 2 theta 2 by 3 theta B EI. This is our second step. Our first step was the first find a fixed end moment, then we find the slope deflection equation deflection. Now the this is for AB span BC. Well, we solve these two, then similar way we also find the BA and BC. You can see here MBA is equal to 6 plus 2 theta E by tail 2 theta B plus 0 minus 3 plus delta is equal. So there is a 4 equation we already find. You can see here there is a 2 equation for this MAB and MBA, then similar way MBC and CB. Now we find the joint equilibrium condition at theta. Step 3, equilibrium condition at joint B. MBA plus MBC is equal to 0. So MBA is equal to, we find already find MBA. You can see here minus 2 delta V. You directly we put here, and MBC also we find. We directly put this both and find the EI theta B is equal to 2.25. Put this value put this value in the above 4 equation and find the slope deflection moment. Here we put the E theta B value, so minus 6 plus 2 theta by divided by 3 is equal to minus 5 by 2 by 6 kilometer per meter. Then similar way we solve the all 4 equation and find the moment here 5.25, 7.5, 7.5, 9.75. Okay, and now the final and last step, final step, though the bending moment diagram. Here in upper there is a minus, then plus, then minus. Okay, then for final end moment for AB is equal to UDL, so we use the WL square by 8. You can see here, yes, this is a case, and final end moment equation for UDL is equal to WL square by 8. So we put the value of that particular thing, minus plus WL square by 8, 2 into 6 square divided by 8 is equal to 9 kilonewton per meter. Similar way we find the moment, final moment for BC. There is a point load, so WL square by 4, 9 kilonewton in 8 kilonewton we already find. So we put the diagram here. First we find this UDL because it's a 9 UDL, so it's parabolic. then 18 kilonewton with equal distance, so we put here 18 kilonewton per meter. uh, uh, Now final and moment for a moment 5.25, here was minus 5.25, then here minus minus plus, then we put minus 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 plus for 5.25, then similar way 7.5 was also minus, so minus minus positive, so 7.5 will be there and 9.75 will be there. This is a simple example for slope deflectometer. uh, Complete example you can practice for more and more practice to solve this type of example. So thank you for watching.